Hey watch lovers, welcome back to the channel. Fresh off the buzz of Watches and Wonders, Geneva 2025, there was one timepiece that seemed to capture everyone's attention, generating a real wave of enthusiasm. The brand new Nomos Club Sport Neomatik Worldtimer. And honestly, I get the hype. Let's dive into my first impressions. Now, Nomos is known for its clean, often minimalist designs, think the Tangente or Ludwig. But lately, they've been flexing a bit more, pushing into sportier territory with watches like the Metro and Tangente Update. The Club Sport Neomatik Worldtimer feels like a natural evolution of that, blending the fun, accessible spirit of the club campus with a more refined and capable sporty aesthetic. One of the first things that strikes you is how surprisingly compact it is for a Worldtimer. At 40 millimeters in diameter and just under 10 millimeters thick, it sits beautifully on the wrist. Considering some competitors in this price range can feel quite chunky, this thinness is a real win. And don't let the sleek profile fool you. It still boasts a solid 100 meters of water resistance, a screw-down crown, and even a clever red ring to warn you if the crown isn't fully secured. Moving to the dial, Nomos has opted for a more straightforward approach compared to their Zurich Weltzeit. You've got your local time with central hands and a small seconds, of course. But the magic happens on the periphery with that city disc, easily adjustable with the pusher at 2 o'clock. This also advances the local hour hand, super intuitive for travelers. And at 3 o'clock, you have a clear 24-hour home time indicator with a handy day-night display. There's even a recessed pusher at 8 o'clock to sync everything up initially. Powering this beauty is Nomos's in-house Neomatik DUW 3202 movement. It's what helps keep the watch so thin. It's an automatic with their signature swing system and adjusted in 6 positions, a testament to Nomos's commitment to quality. So, my first impressions of the Nomos Club Sport Neomatik Worldtimer are overwhelmingly positive. It's a stylish, well-built watch with a genuinely useful travel complication, all at a surprisingly accessible price point, under €4,000. It's easy to see why it generated so much buzz at Watches and Wonders. Nomos has really created something special here. What are your thoughts on the new Nomos Club Sport Neomatik Worldtimer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more watch content. Thanks for watching.